I need your help troubleshooting LG dehumidifier problems.
LG dehumidifiers not set up to drain continuously into a sink are hard to empty out. You can empty out the bucket, but the designs mean you're almost guaranteed to spill water in the process.
So I set it up to drain continuously. Emptying the bucket every day or two is a hassle anyway.
You can set them up to drain continuously, but you usually have to get hardware at the store get the stuff to do it without leaking.
I'm surprised how few dehumidifiers come with that hardware, but LG is not the only brand in that category.
They have a problem with leaking refrigerant.
Once the refrigerant leaks out, it doesn't work. However, even more expensive HVAC systems have that problem too.
Good luck finding someone to fix the LG dehumidifier, much less recharge the refrigerant. They tend to have problems properly reading the humidity, tending to read higher than it actually is too.
If the dehumidifier starts doing too good a job, I'll simply turn it off or unplug it.
You need to do a 3-prong outlet to reduce the risk of electrical fluctuations messing up the unit.
It can't be worse than resetting the furnace. And unlike the furnace, it can't make us too cold or pose a fire hazard.
LG dehumidifiers built between 2009 and 2013 were recalled due to a fire hazard. They have electrical problems that could cause them to overheat and even catch fire.
I guessed that when you said they were recalled due to a fire hazard.
There were over a dozen brands included in the recall, so it was not just LG.
I'm only concerned about what goes wrong with LG dehumidifiers.
They tend to turn off the condenser after running for a while, then turn back on.
In the interim, it is a glorified air filter.
Cycling like that tends to wear out the condenser faster, as well as raise the risk of a mechanical failure.
The high humidity in our house increases the odds anything and everything else will rust or short out.
Their dehumidifiers tend to have the bucket full sensor fail, shutting off the unit because it doesn't want to overflow.
I know there was one brand that had the opposite problem, so I'm glad it is not LG. I'm just surprised you're attributing all these problems to LG.
LG was rated highly by Consumer Reports around 2010, but I suspect quality has gone down since then.
As long as it does not burn down, I could deal with it.